How to create group chat on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create group chat on Skype mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Skype and then click on your profile here, not your profile, this one, this icon here, click on it and then just click here, new group chat, and select any name you want, like friends, and click this one and then just click done, and here you can add any people you want and click done, and as you see a group chat has been created. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.